Life has been so unpredictable lately. So why not take a break from such a mess and gift our souls with unforgettable memories? This is my first travel vlog from Delhi, Kolkata. So let me take you to a mesmerizing journey, hopping into a packed train during holiday, with no confirmed seat, going to meet my high school mates and wandering through the streets and exploring delicious states of Kolkata.
This is the scenario right now. I have no space. I'm managing out somewhere with the people, those who are like heading towards Shialda itself. Yeah, this is it. Like, I'm actually enjoying it, to be honest. So this is the scenario right now. I've got barely some space, and yeah, this journey is gonna be fun, you know.
So this is the second day. I know you can barely hear me because it's too crowded over here. I don't know, I just reached Gaya Junction and I'll be reaching Shialda by 8 or 9 p.m. because our train is delayed by 3 hours. Hope to see you there.
Finally, after a long hectic journey is completed and finally reached Kolkata. It's Shialda district, or whatever Shialda is the name of the station. And my friends are waiting. The most interesting part of the journey was like before the last station, the train stopped for like 20 minutes without any reason. Don't know what the reason was. Anyway, I'm really excited to meet them after months. Oh yeah. So finally, with my like darlings, met them after months. So इस साइड से जब मैं आया, the best part was like I got the chance to see दक्षिणेश्वर. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि महाबरफ से भी छोटा है यार. मेरे दक्षिणेश्वर जाएंगे तो टिकट लेना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, सब एक जैसा ही है, बस इसका बाल थोड़ा सा कट गया है, दाढ़ी थोड़ा बढ़ गया है. मैं तो एक जैसा ही हूँ, ये भी एक जैसा है. Now the current scenario is we are heading towards South Kolkata, and for that we need to come to the South Junction, whatever it is called. तो वहाँ से साउथ के लिए ट्रेन जाते हैं.
So hey there guys.
द थिंग इज़ दैट आज चिल डे टाइप होने वाला है, कुछ इतना स्पेशल नहीं है. हम लोग लाइक इतने महीनों बाद मिले हैं तो वी थॉट दैट विल बी लाइक हैविंग गपशप. सो आज हम लोग चिकन बनाएंगे एंड तीर्थंकर कुछ अपने ट्यूशन्स के काम से बाहर गया हुआ है. आफ्टर ही कम्स दैन विल बी लीविंग फॉर समवेयर नियर प्लेसेस टू जस्ट रोम अराउंड, यू नो. So this is the second day in Kolkata. The thing is that आज हम लोगों ने ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया, चिल कर रहे थे, बातें किए एंड लाइक दोस्त थोड़े बिजी थे, दोनों में से एक बिजी था. सो वो आने के बाद वी कुक चिकन. उसके बाद लाइक हम लोग सोचे कि थोड़ा सा रेस्ट ले लेते हैं. रेस्ट लेने के बाद फिर हम लोग घूमने निकले. So in the streets, and the best thing is like this taxis, the main attraction of Kolkata, you know. So that's it. Baki, I will give you a tour of the streets of Kolkata. So this is the second day we are out here, and like probably it's the second day. Actually, we didn't headed out on the first day itself. We are like today moving towards the famous Indian coffee house. Half an hour journey from our place. The best part about this north side of Kolkata is that you can like see the vintage culture of Kolkata, and that's the best part over here, you know. So currently we are at the very well-known Boi Bazaar. It is famous for the largest number of shops accumulated in together. As you can see, this bookshop right behind me. We are heading towards Indian Coffee House. So currently I am at one of the sweet shops, Girish Chandra Dev, whatever it is, but it's like way old and very famous. We worked 1 kilometers away from the Indian coffee shop. So now we are heading towards a very famous ghat. I exactly forgot the name. What's the name of the ghat? We took an auto and we are heading towards that very famous ghat. And currently it was so hot few hours back, and now it's drizzling, like literally drizzling. Now after heading back from that sweet shop, we are currently at Ahri Tola Ghat. So I'll just give you a glimpse of the Ahri Tola Ghat. So good morning guys, and today is the third day. आज मैं आया हूँ मेरे एक दोस्त को मिलने के लिए, who stays nearby my home itself, and he is currently working at JW Marriott. And वो बोला कि तू कोलकाता में मिलना तो ज़रूरी है, हम लोग बचपन से एक साथ ही रहते थे, ठीक है. So as you can see, this is JW Marriott behind me, and उसके पीछे है ITC बंगला, ITC Bengal. So अभी मैं आया हूँ currently उसके अपार्टमेंट्स में. So right now I am at this place, Sandeepan. Here he is.
Hi guys.
So we'll just spend few times. We'll be having lunch somewhere, and we'll be going to Eco Park right now. And that's it for today, I guess. And I'll be heading back to my friend's place. And that's the plan for today. So we are currently at Eco Park, and it's like way better than my expectation. So huge, like you can see, and the weather is like kind of pleasant. Must hawa maar raha hai, and we can like afford a cycle or a kind of boat and cycle behind this. So currently we got to know that it's a very big park, बहुत ही बड़ा park है. And यहाँ पे बहुत सारे zones हैं जहाँ पे दूसरे regions बने हुए हैं. Like for example, we head back from, अगर आपको दिख रहा है, this is a Japanese park something, and right in front of me you can see. So यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं trains हैं, and there are other various vehicles to cover up all the area over here. Yeah.
See you there. Meet you.
पानी कोल्ड एंड फ्रूट मैंगो जूस बादाम मिल्क.
यहाँ पे the best part is the best part.
Auto, and